It was a sunny morning in Melody Meadow, and three best friends, Clara, Dino, and Sunny, skipped happily to Harmony Hill Park. Clara wore a bright yellow sundress with little sunflowers. Dino had on a green t-shirt with drumsticks printed on the front. Sunny sparkled in an orange playsuit with musical notes on the pockets. They each carried something special. Clara held a shiny tambourine, Dino carried his wooden bongo drums, and Sunny jingled a colorful bell shaker. "Let's make music today," Clara twirled. "Let's put on a show," Dino cheered. "Let's call it the Summertime Symphony," Sunny giggled. And off they went, tapping, shaking, and clapping through the park. Verse 1, the tambourine beat. Clara shook her tambourine by the flower bed. Bees buzzed in time. Butterflies flapped in rhythm. Even the park bench seemed to tap along. Verse 2, Dino's bongo boogie. Next, Dino sat under the big oak tree and thumped his bongos. Squirrels danced, birds chirped, and even a curious puppy barked along to the beat. Verse 3, Sunny's bell parade. Sunny skipped down the garden path, her bell shaker jingling like fairy dust. A group of toddlers nearby clapped and joined in with their own shakers. The big idea. Clara paused. "Let's make a song using all our instruments together." Dino smiled. "We can call it the Summertime Symphony Jam." Sunny grinned, and everyone can join in. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!